Don't scare him, though. Go do how you were doing it.
Like, go like this and then this. Like,
Are you teasing her?
Watch out. Watch out.
Do it.
He likes you, yeah. Look,
He's laughing at you, Kat.
Careful.
He's not laughing at you. The kids figured out how to make him laugh. It's so cute.
we did it together.
I know, you guys are so funny. Nice.
He likes it.
No. Don't pull. Nice.
Nice. That's very nice.
Oh, I'm so scared.
Oh, don't be scared. Charlotte's way rougher with him. Like, way rougher.
But Charlotte's his baby. Charlotte's his girl.
Like, she's mean.
Their ages. No, they don't. And
Yeah.
look, he's trying to make him laugh.
Being really gentle. I told him gentle, and he's like, yeah.
Oh, watch it. Oh.
Oh, Josh is the baby. I'm not funny like them. I'm not funny like them.
Oh, Josh is the baby. Oh, good.
Look at those dimples. Look at these dimples. Oh, yeah.
You gotta put it on Facebook.
Watch this.
He never laughs like this. It's just totally cracking him up.
Please don't be scared. I know, but that makes him laugh.
Only when you do it. If I do it, he doesn't do it.
Gentle. Joshy, back up. Gentle.
He doesn't like me. He just likes you.
You better, you have to.
Oh, she's going to show you the ropes.
Do I have to do the head thing like he was?
Oh, no.
Hey.
So you have to actually stab.
Who got you? Say who's got you?
He doesn't have teeth. He can't bite.